In this video, we are working through 5 GCSE 9 to 1 Maths past paper exam questions on forming and solving equations. These are from both AQA and Edexcel, and you can download the questions yourself from the description down below. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're trying to get the best grade in maths you possibly can, let me help. Start now by subscribing. Okay, so the first 4 questions are suitable for both tiers. The 5th is higher only. At the moment, I have enough questions to make 3 of these, so I'll make forming and solving playlist, which will also be linked down below. I advise doing them all because it's a hard concept to master and it's pretty much guaranteed to come up. Okay, let's get cracking. Okay, first up, a square has an area of 81 centimeters squared. Find the perimeter of the square. Okay, so to be a square, all the sides have to be the same length. At the moment, we don't know the length, but we can form and solve an equation. So, if we call the sides x, then we know that the area of a square is base times height. So that means x times x. So that means then the area is x squared, which is also 81. Now what we can do from that is find the value of x. So if we square root, we get x is equal to 9. Now the perimeter is the distance around the whole shape, so that's going to be 4 lots of x. So the perimeter is 4 times 9 centimeters, which is 36 centimeters. Cool. Okay, then part B. Bit trickier. So, the diagram shows a right angled triangle and a parallelogram. We are told the area of the parallelogram is 5 times the area of the triangle. The perpendicular height of the parallelogram is h centimeters. Find the value of h. Okay, so to do this, we are going to need the area of the triangle first of all. So if you're rusty on that, it's in here in my new formula sheet, which by the way is linked down below. So it's 1/2 times the base times the height. So here then, we are going to have 9 times 16 divided by 2. So let's call this a T, area of the triangle. So that's 16 times 9 over 2. Now that's going to give us 72 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's the area of the triangle. Now for the parallelogram, we know the base is 30 and the height is h. Now parallelograms, I've seen this trip so many people up in the past. Parallelograms have exactly the same area as rectangles. So the area of the parallelogram is just the base times the height, so 30h. Okay, so now comes the part where we form the equation. So we're told the area of the parallelogram is 5 times the area of the triangle. So that means that AP is 5 times AT. So the area of the parallelogram is 5 times the area of the triangle. If we substitute in the two areas, we get 30h is equal to 5 times 72, which is 360. Now we want to get h, so divide by 30, we get h is 360, divided by 30, which is 12. Okay, second question. The diagram shows a pentagon, and the pentagon has one line of symmetry. We are told AE is 4x, AB is 2x add 1, and BC is x add 2. All the measurements are given in centimetres. The perimeter of the pentagon is 18 centimetres. Part A, show that 10x add 6 is equal to 18. So, form the equation. Okay, so, first of all, it's important this guy has one line of symmetry. So we can see that is going to be down the centre. So that means that the lengths on the left are going to be the same as the lengths on the right. So let's put our lengths on. So we know that AE is 4x, so that's the base. We then know that AB is 2x add 1, so that's the length on the left. Now by the symmetry, DE is the same length. And then we know that BC is x add 2. Again, by the symmetry, CD is then the same. So, what we need to do now is get the perimeter algebraically. So, the perimeter. So, if we go around and add all the x's, 4x add 2x is 6x, add x is 7x, add x is 8x, add 2x is 10x. And then if we add the numbers, we have 1 add 2 add 2 add 1, which is indeed 6. Now remember, we are told the perimeter of the pentagon is 18 centimetres. So we can also say P is 18. Because these two things are actually the same thing, they are both the perimeter, this then tells us 10x add 6 does indeed equal 18. Okay, then for part B, we want to find the value of x. Okay, so now we are solving the equation. So we have 10x at 6 is equal to 18. Subtract the 6, 10x is 12, divide by 10, x is 1.2. Okay, the third question, so the size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 11 times the size of each exterior angle. We want to work out how many sides the polygon has. Okay, so a crash course in interior and exterior angles. If we have a pentagon, which is a polygon, an exterior angle happens when you continue one of the sides. That angle is an exterior and that angle is an interior. So if we call them I and E, then because they lie on a straight line, interior add exterior is always equal to 180 degrees. There's also a fact about exterior angles we need to know, and that is that however many of them there are, they always add up to 360 degrees. Okay, so we know then that with this polygon, the interior angle is 11 times the exterior angle. So, what we can do from that, we can write I is equal to 11E. First of all, so the interior is 11 times the exterior. Next, we know that I add E is equal to 180. Now, we know that I is 11E. So we could write this as 11E. Add E is equal to 180. So 12E is 180 degrees. From that, we can work out the size of an exterior angle by dividing both sides by 12. So E is 180 degrees divided by 12, which is 15 degrees. So each exterior angle is 15 degrees. Now because all of the exterior angles add up to 360 and they're all the same, to work out the number of sides, we do 360 divided by 15 degrees. So the number of sides is 360 divided by 15, which gives us 24. Okay, the fourth question, ABC is an isosceles right angle triangle, so we can see the two equal sides are both 3x. We are told the area of the triangle is 162 centimeters squared. Work out the value of x. Okay, so we're told the area as a number. What we're going to do is work out the area algebraically, set the two things equal, solve for x. So, just because this triangle is not sat on its base, if that bothers you, we could kick it over so it's sat like this. Now we know the area then is 3x times 3x. Now that is 9x squared. Now we also know the area is equal to 162. Therefore, 9x squared is equal to 162. Okay, so now we want to solve for x. So the first thing we need to do is get rid of that 9. So if we divide both sides by 9, we get x squared is equal to 18. Now if we square root x is the square root of 18. Now, with this question, it hasn't said what form or to what accuracy we want the answer, so we could leave it as root 18. If you're higher, we could play some surds and write that as root 9 root 2, which then would be 3 root 2. Cool. Okay, then the fifth question. So remember, this is higher only. Anyone wants to try them, be my guest. So, here are two right angled triangles. So the guy on the left has a height of x and a base of 4x minus 1 with an angle E. And the one on the right has a height of 6x add 5 with a base of 12x add 31 with an angle of f. Given that tan of E is equal to tan of f, find the value of x. You must show all of your working. Okay, so tan's involved with thinking SOHCAHTOA. So, in both triangles, with reference to the angles, we have the opposites and the adjacents. So that's why we have tan involved. If you're rusty on your SOHCAHTOA at all, I'll put my playlist down below. So, with the triangle on the left, we can say that tan E is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. So, x over 4x minus 1. Okay, now we're going to do exactly the same in the right angle triangle. So here, we know that tan f is 6x add 5 over 12x add 31. So, tan of f is 6x add 5 over 12x add 31. Now, because we know tan E is equal to tan F, that means these two fractions are equal to each other. Yay! So, that means then that x over 4x minus 1 is equal to 6x add 5 over 12x add 31. Okay, so our job is now to solve this. Now to do this, I'm going to multiply through by both denominators. So, if we first of all multiply through by 4x minus 1, we're going to get x is equal to 6x add 5 times 4x minus 1 all over 12x add 31 Now I'm going to multiply through by 12x add 31. So, now I'm going to expand this as well. So we're going to get x times 12x add 31. So we're going to get 12x squared add 31x is equal to, now make sure you can expand this right hand side too. So 6x times 4x is 24x squared. Now we're going to get minus 1 lots of 6x, so that's minus 6x. Add 5 times 4x. So we have 20x minus 6x, that's 14x. And then 5 times minus 1 is minus 5. Okay, now this is a quadratic, which means we need to get everything on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 12x squared. So that's going to give us 12x squared. Then I'm going to subtract 31x. So 14 minus 31 is going to give us minus 17x. And then we have minus 5. Now I'm going to put the equal 0 on the right. Okay, so now we want to try and solve this. Yay. Okay then, so not the nicest. What we do know is that inside each bracket there's going to need to be a 1 in one and a 5 in the other. Now we also know to get the minus 5 at the end, one of those is positive, one is negative. We don't know which though. So we need to get 12x squared. So what about some combination of 4x and 3x? What if we put 4x there? And then minus 5 in there, that's going to give us minus 20x. That would have to be a plus 1. That has to be a 3x. So we're going to get one lot of 3x. And then minus 5 times 4x. 3x minus 20x does indeed give us that minus 17x. Cool. Okay. From here then, so this is just a horrible question all the way through. To solve horrible quadratics like this, you set whatever is inside each bracket equal to 0. So on the left, either we get 4x, add 1 is equal to 0, subtract 1, divide by 4, x is minus a quarter. That though gives us a problem because x is the height of the triangle on the left. So that can't be true. So that is an invalid solution. So, using the bracket on the right, 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Add 5, divide by 3, x is 5 thirds, and 5 thirds only. Okay then guys, that's it for this video. So at the moment I have 10 more of these questions, so that's going to be 2 more sets. The videos will be in the playlist linked down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, get subscribed, share with your friends. For now, take it easy, take care.